Hello everyone, this is Drew here with a comparison between the Innocn 27M2V and the LG 27GR95UM. There are not many video reviews of the 27GR95UM, and I thought this would help potential buyers make an informed decision. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First up, we have the Innocn 27M2V with HDR and local dimming enabled. The bloom captured in these first two scenes is exaggerated by the GoPro Hero 8. In real life, it is not noticeable. In real life, this sword making clip has a lot less bloom than what you're seeing with the GoPro recording it, but there is bloom around the sparks and the darker scenes, such as this one. I'm going to pause this video here so I can show you that that bloom being picked up on the bottom left corner here is just from the camera. You can see as I get it closer, there is no bloom actually there. And up on these sparks as well. Alright, so now we're looking at the 27GR95UM with HDR and local dimming enabled. In this scene, you can see the bloom beating the actual image to the screen, such as that right there where the roots are coming in. But then you also get the bloom from the highlights, which makes it look really washed out. This clip on the 27M2V, the GoPro Hero 8 was capturing stuff that I couldn't see in real life, but on the 27GR95UM, I can see all of this in real life, and it gives it almost like a clouded haze or like a fog throughout this entire scene. "27M2V with HDR and local dimming on, Call of Duty Firing Range." 27GR95UM with HDR and local dimming on, Call of Duty Firing Range. This was one of the most unique scenarios I saw, where there was a lot of bloom with black crush in between it. Alright, that covers HDR for both monitors. Now we're going to SDR, and we'll start with the 27M2V. All of these videos are playing in the same order as they did in HDR as well. I'm not going to add any commentary to the SDR footage unless there's something that the camera picked up that I did not see in real life. Real quick, I want to point out that I did not see any of the bloom around the bottom of this glass. In this in scene, the camera also picked up bloom, which is not actually there. This is the 27GR95UM with SDR and local dimming on. (27M2V) SDR with local dimming on, firing range. And now we're on the 27GR95UM with SDR and local dimming. That wraps up my comparison between these two monitors. Let me know which one you think is better in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a like.